Installing Twist-Lock Eyelets doesn't need to be complicated with Sailrite's Twist-Lock Eyelet Hole Cutter. This tool makes installing Twist-Lock eyelets simple and easy by cutting 5 perfectly spaced holes at one time. This hole cutter cuts an oval center hole and 4 small slits for the eyelet prongs in one step, making it a big time saver. To use, all you'll need is a heavy mallet and a rubber cutting surface. Above each of the 4 prongs, there is a set screw that makes replacing a broken or damaged prong easy, so that you can get back to work in no time. All you would need to replace a prong is an Allen wrench and needle nose pliers. Although breaking a prong is rare, this tool comes with 4 replacement cutting prongs to ensure a long-lasting investment. The tool features 2 convenient holes on either side for cutting fabric to exit. You can also use these holes as a guide to consistently align your tool on the fabric. This tool makes creating professional-looking twist-lock eyelet holes easy. And to get yours, we've linked it down in the description below. And make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of Sailrite's exclusive products.